Hello everyone, I'm back again doing another live session, office development. Going to look into some more GitHub stuff and maybe updating my own little project with the buttons. Opening the task pane, closing the task pane. It's a separate project just for demo purposes, but let's first start the show. Welcome back. It's 10 p.m. October 15, 2020, and we are in some sort of a lockdown, and it's not going right with Corona in the Netherlands, but let's ignore that. We hear enough about Corona these days, and let's go to the code window. And I have to remember where the code window is. There we are. Let's go into GitHub. Have a look at the Office add-ins. And I think there was a new pull request. New web worker sample. Let's have a look at this. 2 pending reviewers. Let's see. This is web worker. Let's clone this one in a new folder. Code, clone, copy. Let's go into a command prompt. Data repos. What's the date for today? You can notice that the old one from last week is still in there, but let's just get a fresh one. Make directory 2020 1015. CD 2020. This one. Git clone. Something like this. Git clone GitHub PnP Office add-ins. There we are. CD PnP. It's almost a rinse and repeat activity that we do every week. CD samples. But you need to do this to get familiar with the process. Repeating is the best way to learn things. Git branch master, so we have to go to what was it? New sample. The branch is called web worker. Git branch web dash worker. Git branch, just checking. Oh, That's not right, I think. Because now I created a new one. So let's start all over again. Del star print star slash s slash q. And let's finalize this with this one. See data repos 20, 10, 15. Yeah, let's clone it again. CD PMP samples, add-ins, CD samples. Checkout, git, checkout, web, something web worker. Git branch. We're now on web worker. This one is there. What's the file in the Excel custom functions? Web worker. Yeah. Where is it? Let's try to find where it is. Files changed. Excel custom functions. Where are the Excel custom functions? There. Excel. Web worker. That's it. Home, readme. So go in here, select the web worker branch. There we are. Custom functions. Web worker, renaming job variables for clarity. Is the latest change. Let's have a look at the readme here. See if I can understand what they did with this. The sample shows how to use the web workers in custom functions to prevent blocking of the UI of your Office add-in. Custom functions, web worker, Excel on Mac. Office add-in custom function using web workers. Version 1. This code is provided as is, as obvious. Custom functions block the UI of your Office add-in when they run. If you have a long-running custom function, this can cause poor performance in your Office add-in UI when the spreadsheet is calculated. For example, if someone has a table with thousands of rows, each of which is calling a long-running custom function, this can lead to the UI being blocked during recalculation. You can unblock the UI by using web workers to do the calculation for your custom function, so it's running in the background. You can run sample in the in Excel in a browser. That should probably be Excel Online. The add-in web files are served from this repo on GitHub. Download the manifest XML from this sample to the folder on your computer. Open Office on the web. Choose Excel and open a new document. Open the Insert tab on the ribbon and choose Office Add-ins. Let's try do this. Already downloaded it. Code dot. This is the manifest. Manifest localhost. There are two different ones. This has sample D in there. OEP. What's OEP in this case? Icons. Testing assets. Is that actually a thing? Testing assets? It is. It's a little picture. Okay. Interesting. Well, we have the manifest already. So go to Office on the web and sign in. This is not the account that I need. Sign out. Sign back in. Different account. Let's try find the LiveCoder account. I think it's this one. Bringing up other password. Secrets. I should activate the secrets key. What's my secrets thing? No, that's not secrets. That's secrets, but we are... Oh, wrong screen. Yeah. Live coding stuff, Excel. New blank. Privacy. You can notice that I've not been here for a long time. Close. Let's find out what we needed to do here. Choose Excel, open new document. In the Insert tab on the ribbon, choose Office Add-ins. Why is this a single line thing? I don't want a single line ribbon. Am I the only one that's not too fancy on the single line thing? We love your feedback on the web version of Excel Simplified Ribbon. I don't want it. And now the bubble is gone, so I can't say it again. Help improve. Yeah, never mind. Maybe next time. Let's see. Insert tab on the ribbon and choose Office Add-ins. Insert tab. Choose Insert Office Add-ins. Here, this. On the Office Add-in dialog, select My Add-ins tab. Manage My Add-ins. So that's a different. It should be renamed. Notepad. Read me. Oh, it said manage my add-ins. Manage my add-ins. What was I reading? Select the My Add-ins tab. Is the My Add-ins tab? Is there a My Add-ins tab there? Oh, it's already there. Manage My Add-ins. Yeah, it's indeed available only on the My Add-ins tab. And then upload My Add-in. Browse the add-in manifest file and select upload. So the question is, do I need to upload the normal manifest, or do I need to bring in the localhost one? Let's see, data, repos, today's date, PNP, Excel custom functions, web worker, and now we have 2 of these. I would guess I'm localhost, but let's see what's happening if we select this one. Upload. Your sample add-in loaded successfully. Go to the Home tab and click the Show Task pane. That was a little short. Verify that the add-in loaded successfully. You will see the Web Worker Task pane button on the Home. Oh, there's a sample of localhost. Okay. You'll see a Web Worker Task pane button. I'm already on Home. Web Worker Task pane button. That's there. Is that there for a specific reason? This is custom function samples. Okay. I think this is just for show, for kicks. Oh, we can have a look at it in the code. Where's the button for the task pane? Oops, and now my mouse is stuck. Oops. A little hiccup in my system. Not sure why, but are we still alive? Someone can confirm that we are still alive. I'm gonna have a look at this one. Warning, the bitrate was dropped somehow. Oopsie daisy. I was looking for this task pane button. Form factor, extension point. Show task pane. That's basically the shared runtime URL. This one. So we have an actual demo site there. try that. Yes. That's just a plain HTML, isn't it? Let's have a look at it. Yeah, that's just plain HTML. So you should also see that in here. There. Apps for Office. That's the script library. Okay. Back to the thing over here. Let's close the developer environment. Busy 100, okay. Let's try this. Busy takes a while. Copy. Oh, that's not right. It should be in there. Oops. Error. Copy. Yep. Close the task pane. And let's have a quick look at the code. So it's setting a timeout, 1 second, I think. What's the task in here? It's calculating some stuff in here. Even though it's going fairly quick, so not that much delay if you... We recalculate here somewhere. Oh. Recalc. That's already. Recalculate. Where did it put the recalculate? Google. Recalculate. Come on. Formula step. There's no formula step. Here's a formula step. Okay, it's automatically recalculating. Oh, I changed this one. So which one is the old one? I think this one is the old one because that's taking some delay there. Busy. That's much faster. Yeah, the promise had a timeout in there. This is the test function. Let's call this one, calling this one. So where's the other test? Oh, that's just a test. So test promise is actually doing the same thing, but it's running a separate test. Showing you the busy thing. Is that in there as well? Busy. And this one is a timeout from 1 second, I think. Let's read what's in here. Details. When a custom function needs to use a web worker, we turn the calculation into a job and dispatch it to the web worker. The dispatch calculation job function takes function name and parameters from a custom function and creates a job object that is posted to a web worker. For more details, see the dispatch calculation job function in functions. There, now there. Dispatch calculation job. This one. Text function and the params. Job ID, new promise. Store the promise information. Job ID to promise info map. Resolve, reject. So this getting the create web worker. So if it's not already there, it's creating the web worker. Is there a definition file from this? Go to definition here. Job ID max web workers. Creates a new worker. Worker API. Add event listener. Web worker return an error. Dispatch calculation job. Oh, that's the one. Yeah, that's the one. So that's done by this one. Test. So these are the custom functions that you can call in your Excel workbook. So test is doing the sample name, so dispatch calculation job test. Test promise is doing this one. Test error promise. So if the function is invoked, if it's test, then do test apply this one. Null parameters. Okay. Back to the explanation. Creates a web object that's a web worker. For more details, see the dispatch calculation job function in functions. Function dispatch calculation function in params job ID. That's creating the promise. Web worker runs the job and returns the result. The web worker runs the job specified in the job object to do the actual calculation. The web worker code is in a separate file in function workers. Yeah, that's in this one. The function will receive a message containing the job to run. That's the message in here. And it's extracting the job from there. Invoke the function to perform the calculation. That's this one. Invoke function. Final references. There. That's part of the message listener. Call post message to post the results back to the main thread. And that's where's the post message. But it's also part of the message handler. I think, yes, post message. Result in the job ID in the result. If there's an error, then it's posting back an error. Which one is this? If type of result is function object, otherwise, what's the result in that case? Nothing. This one, the function. Okay. Function when a new web worker is created. Most of the previous code handles the error case and promise case. In function.js, the new web worker is created. It's provided a callback function to process the result. The callback function parses the data to determine the outcome of the job. It resolves or rejects the promise as determined by the job result data. Web workers, new web worker, add event listener. There was the adding of the event. Type of data is number in this case. I think that's the result value type. Resolve, delete, and then the job is deleted from the info map. Copyright. Okay. Now there's the option to run it locally. Here, localhost. CD web worker custom function. Boop, boop, boop. If you want to host a sample from your computer, run the following command. CD web worker custom function. Close this. Go in here. Oh. Web worker custom function. there's no custom function with web worker custom function. I think it's not in there, so either they mean that it's this folder, web worker custom function. Was it renamed in the pull request? Changes. Is the initial loading? It's the manifest. README. Renaming job variables. Yeah, that's called job. Change data to job result. Default value show web worker sample task pane. Web worker task pane. That's this one. This is the README that was changed. So where's part of the local? Here. So that was unchanged. So let's quickly try this. Where's the README? Back to the web worker thingy there. Excel custom functions. Web worker, I think it was mentioned web worker because there's no folder in here that contains the information. If you want to host a sample from your computer, run the following command: cd web worker There's no folder web worker. I would think if you go in here, you do something like code dot control tick. Oh no, control tick, not control escape. So what's happening if we do something like HTTP server, HTTP server course? No. So this part is just not in there, I think. We're missing the web part, local web part, I think. Web worker custom function. So it's actually on the web, but it's not in the repo. It's called web worker custom function in there. There's the home thingy. What's more there? Functions, yes. That one. So basically what it's saying is that you need to go to the root folder, and that's what I did. The question is, how do I run HTTP server? I'm not a web developer, so I'm not sure how to do this. HTTP, what's this? HTTP server. Oh, I missed it. Dot. Even so, the HTTP server is not in my command line. So I need to install HTTP server then, I think. Command line HTTP server, so I need to do this on the command line. npm install global, right? So that's a thingy that should be in the README. Let's do this. Now let's see if we can do something like this. Where is it? Now escape. Oh, there we go again. Phew. Wow, it was a hit on my machine again for some reason. Not sure what's going on today. HTTP server -- course dot. There you are. Was it in reverse proxy? Is that one line? Is that doing anything? following commands. Because right now it's set to this. I think it should be one line. Would that be right? Is it one line? No. Oh. What? Yeah, it's 8080. Is it 8080? 8080, yes. Localhost 127. What that didn't that do it the first time? So what's doing this reverse proxy? That's also a function call. What is this one doing? Let's see if is it still running? Yes. First time was this serving this. Now it's serving this. Localhost 8080. That's nothing. No. What's the address? 127. Obviously it's home. 27.0.0.1. It's not working. Oh, what? Okay, something's going on here. Not found, so it actually needs the file, I think. HTML, home.html. No. Is it called home? It is. Can you get this? No. Yeah. So now I need to find out why. Why it's not loading. What's doing with this? Should probably turn it into localhost something. What's with this one? Nothing. Let's find it in here. All of GitHub. Issues. It's not in here. Why is it saying that it's in there? WordPress. Nothing to do with Office, I think. Let's try some quotes around this. There you are. Packages, Office add-in package. For create reverse proxy when developing add-ins. Show if this is the guy who originally created this one, didn't he? So it needs a package. Control C. I don't know. Where did it go? Install it global. So let's try it in here. So basically this is not right. Where's my notepad? In here? That's called web worker. Okay. Where's this? So this should also, where's my browser now? This one, copy, put it in the notepad notes as well for now. Ooh, dash global. Thought it was a single dash. npm install. See, it's a single dash. Global. Oh, it's also both allowed. So you have either global. So it's dash G. I always use dash G. So let's try this. What's the command in here? There. Copy this quickly in Notepad. For reference. This is not right. This should be... Let's clone this. Copy. That should be web worker. So we're now in web worker. Then we should run HTTPS server for this folder. And do we now need to create another command? Because I'm not sure if you can run the same command here. Copy. Not sure if this is doing something. HTTPS localhost 8080. No. What if we do this side by side? Don't think that's working. Saying something like this, but that's not right. What if we do that first? No, that's not possible. So we run this. Oh. This runs it from this HTTPS https 127.0.0.1z-home.html. What? Oh, it's not S. It's not secure. This doesn't work either. Why is this not working? Oh, 8080. Oh, darn it. HTTP. Once more, 127.8080 home.html. That's it. Doesn't serve the secure version, I think. HTTPS. That's not working because we don't have a secure thing in there. So now let's see. Help. So I think it's two windows, so let's put another command window in there. This one is running now, so let's copy the other command in there. Something's happening. Oh, this also creates the HTTPS version. Listening on HTTPS 443. So let's try that. HTTPS localhost. We need a 443. 443. Home.html. Yes. Yes. Ta-da. It's working. So apparently you need to do this in two separate command windows. So that should be explained a little bit better in the command, in the README. What if you do this the other way around? Would that be an option? Let's try this. Control C, yes. Close this and close this. So what if we do it the other way around in here? So what if we do this? Copy. Still doing it, apparently. Oh, but then it's stopping. Yeah, in this case, I also need another command prompt in this case. Add a new one. So we now have 2 terminal windows. Just create the other one. Now I create this one. Copy. Now the question is, this still listening to whatever I put in there? Localhost. Let's make that secure. 443. Yeah, that's right. Because I need to do this. Home.html. Yes. So the story is you have to call each of these things into one separate command line thingy. Two processes. And now let's sideload it according to the instructions. This can close now. We can close this and close that. Let's clean up a little bit. Close the proxy thingy. Now, go back to here. Run the local host. The Office add-in is not found or expired. Run the following command. And for this, you also need something installed. Google npm. That's this one. Upon installation, development certificate localhost key will be generated inside the folder. Yeah. So that's the other one. You might wonder if you need this to be global. I prefer to do so because you have it in multiple projects. Let's sideload it now for the local version. Sideload the add-in. Previous step says that we use this one. Okay. Let's insert Office add-ins. Manage my add-ins. This script lab. Refresh. Nothing in there. Okay. Manage my add-ins. Upload my add-in. Browse. This time we select the manifest localhost version. Open. Upload. Now we have a second one. Let's see if that's still running. Yeah. So how do we get rid of this one? Oh. actually want to unload this. Let's see what we can do here. Open desktop. No, I don't want to open this desktop. Cancel. Resume editing here. There's no interface here to clean it, I think, to remove this. Other than going to F11, F12 application. Session storage. Quickly check Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow. Login with email. I think this is right. Let's get into the secrets. Stack Overflow. Copy, paste, login. Go to my thingies, my questions. Remove an uploaded version. So it was local storage clear. Where is the application running? Here. Still in there. So because now this one is running, but this one is also running. So how do I know which one is actually triggered? Is it only running when you run the task bin? No, I don't think so. I want to clear the cache here. F12. What's all this failure stuff? Where's the application? Here. And I need to clear. Local storage and session storage. Clear storage. Local storage. Clear. 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 Session storage. Not sure which one it's taking in. Looks like something like this. Now it's gone. So load it again. So now probably this one is not working. Is it? 4,000. So now it's not working. Insert Office Add-ins. Manage my add-ins. Upload. Browse. Localhost version. Upload. Now we have only one. And now let's copy the thing back in. Because I ruined the first one. It's not working. Oh wait. Huh? Apparently it's not picking it up. Do I need to load the add-in first? No. No, not in the cell. That's not working. It's now not exposed apparently. So let's have a look at this one. This one should work now. That's working. That's working. At least it is giving something back. Copy. That's also giving something in return. But it doesn't look like it's doing something in here. What if I just reopen Office? New. Maybe I messed it up. Insert Office Add-in. Manage, upload, browse. This one, localhost version. Upload. Go to the Home tab and click the Show Task Pane button to get started. Go to the command here, copy. No, do it again. It's not working. Let's check if the if the thing is secure. Why is this not secure? This is interesting, by the way. Why is this not secure? Let's try that again. Office.com. Sign in. Good evening. Now it wants to log in again. Now there is a different URL in there. So let's sideload the add-in again. I prefer to use the full ribbon, so not too happy forcing the simplified. Simplified version. So go into the insert of the add-ins, manage, upload, browse, and I need to go to see data repos 2015. PMP add-ins, Excel custom functions, web worker, localhost version. Upload. There it is. Whoop, there it is. Copy this in the function. And it's not working. Not sure why. Because the page itself is available. HTTPS localhost 443 home.html. What? Oh. HTTP. What? Why did it close? closed all my terminals. Did I do that or did it just crash? Oh, it's in here. It should be in here. Oh, let's have a look at this one. So what if we terminate this and terminate this? And we start it again, Control tick. Then we go to the notepad. And the first one is to run the server. And the other one, running the localhost version. There we are, registering a new route. Now let's test if it's giving me something in return. Isn't private. Certificate is not valid. Okay, so I probably need to reinstall the certificate then. They were warning for this, so we have to do this. Let's dump this one, Control tick. Let's see what's going on if we do this. Accept the certificate, yes. There we are. Now do this again. Run the server. Now open another one. Copy. There we are. Localhost. Home. HTML. Doing something, but probably HTTPS. There it is. Whoop! There it is. So I should actually play this again. Yeah, enough of that. So now let's try this again. Create a new workbook. Oh, there it is. Okay. Let's see if this is working now. Nope. I'm not sure why this is not working. Oops. Copy. Oh no, not in the cell itself. Not working. So apparently somehow Sideload was steps 1 to 7. That's what I did. 1 to 7. Verify that the add-in was loaded successfully. You will see a web worker task pane. That's working. Okay. I think we have to wrap this up. Let's see what's the result in the output here. Is it actually requesting something if we do this? How to get this visible? That's working. This is not done. Somehow it's not arriving at the function, so what's in here that's different from the other one? It's taking the pictures from, that's kind of strange because this one should take this from images. Lines in there. Functions. Functions in JSON. That's the same, and that's also returning. This could need not be of interest. I would think it's a difference in I think this is fairly okay. Besides the fact that I think this should be localhost. Localhost. Let's see if it's serving that. Copy. In there. No, it's not. Why isn't this loaded? 404. Add-ins, images. Oh, wait, add-ins should be removed. Good point. Copy. Paste. Still not available. And that's because they are not in here. So this one should be downloaded. Go to the other manifest. Copy. That's this one. Save image. In the downloads folder, yes. Now pick up the other one. Copy. Save image. Copy. Save image. Now, let's open this folder and go to the downloads folder. No downloads folder yet. Downloads. Copy. Images. Put it in here. Yeah, this is used in the README. If I'm correct. Yeah. So now did I copy it in already? Yeah. Let's try again for localhost version. Copy. That's better. Any other URL that's not correct? Schemas, localhost. This is not right. It should be localhost also. Localhost. Save. What did we change? Manifest. And that's right.
Tell me where I belong. I've been searching all night. Walking these streets, it's a maze at midnight. Been talking to you, yet those days have gone by.
So now let's see. Let's clean up a little bit. Close the images. Close this. Certificate should now be in place. This can be closed now. Let's close this for now. This is still working, I think. Yeah. So if we put in something like functions.js. Question is there something in here that's not right? There's no specific browser that you need, eh? Excel, Windows, Mac. No specific prereqs.
You say it's all my fault. I walked away from it all.
Home.html. That's still working. So now go into Excel. Create a new one. Insert. Sideload. Upload. Browse. Localhost version. Upload. tap a show task. Click the show task pane button. So that's the text is not right. This works, showing that it's actually working. And now put in the command again, the function call. Oh, do it again. It's not working. It's not recognized for some reason. If you run it on localhost.
And plastic lungs. I envy the way you live, and far away from kingdom come, where bridges burn and walls go up, but you always have more to give. It's gonna be a good day every time you open up your eyes and you see that there's a light, a reason we're alive. Blessed are those who love to love, with diamond hearts and plastic lungs. I want to see through your eyes. You see what's right and what's gone wrong, and that's your gift.
Okay. I think they have to look into this a little bit more. Let's quickly see if we can see something in the functions thing in here. That links to the website somehow. There's no specific references. So what it's complaining about, it can't find the function name. So what's going wrong is the functions, custom functions. Here. But this one is actually functioning. This should be okay. How's the difference from this one? Oops. Functions.js, that's similar. Functions.json. Localhost is the home version. Should be okay. So I'm not sure why the local version is not working. Redbird. Localhost 8080. Okay. Yeah. That should be okay. So if I request for functions.js, you should see it somewhere in here. Yeah, there it is. So that's actually is working. It is redirected. The certificate is a certificate, okay. Connection is secure, yes. Certificate is valid. Okay. So that's not the issue either. Okay. Let's go to test is the internal. For some reason these are not exposed. In the local version. Okay, let's go to GitHub and make some comments here. Maybe what did we change in here? Put the buttons to local. And what's in here? Changes to local version. And also for the images. And also we have to go into the readme file. Here. If you want to host a sample from your computer running the following command. This should be web worker. Where is it? Let's get close. This should be this. So how does it look? Like this. From the web worker. If you haven't installed this yet, you can do this by installing with copy. That should contain something like this. Copy. npm install global HTTP server. In the command window, run from the web worker folder. Something like this. If the Office Add-ins no, that's not relevant. This one should be specified. To reroute the HTTP requests to local host. The following another command window. Oh. Reroute to localhost. To reroute to localhost. Run. Where is it? Request localhost. Run this one. If you already haven't done already, you can do this by copy this and make my notes. Copy. Something like this. Something like this. Can we have a preview? localhost npm install global HTTPL server. The command will run something like this: reroute to localhost. This is the server, then you install the proxy, reverse proxy, something blah blah blah. You can do this with the following command. Command. Save. Yeah. Let's have a look at the changes. So we have the changes in the manifest to make it point to localhost. README. Oh, this is somewhat prettified for some reason. Okay. So the prettier did some things there. Let's reopen this and then have a look at it. So what happened over here? Automatically formatted. Telemetry. There's a telemetry thing in there. That's thrilling. We have a telemetry thing in there. Let's quickly see if I save this and go into the README. See how that's turning out. Did it change somehow? This looks okay. How does it look on the website? It's creating a table around this. It's a little bit different. That's fine by me. If you let's do this. We are in the web worker project branch. So can I create a pull request for this? Control tick. Git status. Modify the local, yeah. Okay, git add dot. Git commit. Changes after review. Now it's a question, can I push it in? Git push yeah, it's not allowed to do that. Create a pull request. How do you create a pull request?
Here I am, don't try to make a fool of myself. Opening up, but I'd rather keep the things unsaid. Don't blame me, I don't blame you. Stay in touch, keep it up, sing it out loud. Been afraid of the dark lights inside that the people's society sends out. Here's a word for the one who never speaks the truth. Listen now, everyone is here for you. Don't be afraid.
Remote permission to
Open up your heart.
how to create pull request. From local branch.
Hold it in any longer and you're gonna blow.
Should fork it.
I can see you from the outside, tell me from the inside. And I'll never let these go. Here's a word for the one who never speaks the truth. Listen now, everyone is here for you. Don't be afraid to let me in. Let me open up your heart.
I should have forked it. So I already have a branch somewhere. Let's have a look. PnP add-ins. This one. CMD. This is my fork. Code dot. So the easiest thing would be to fork this. I already have a fork for this, I think. Terminal, git status. Question is my repository or? I think so. Git checkout master. Well, let me sleep on this. I need to find out where I put my fork for this, and probably switch to that. I can also do something like git pull, git fetch. Git checkout master. Yeah, commit your changes or stash them before you switch branches. Git commit git add dot git commit changes. Git checkout master. Git fetch. Custom functions. Now we have this. No, it's not updated yet. Oh. Git pull. Yeah. Only the master. Check out web. Get updates from remote master. Check out the master, git pull, rebase origin. Run git pull, rebase origin master to updates to your local runs against the most recent. Question is this my fork? Let's have a look at GitHub. This one behind. Kind of confusing, this. This is my fork. I need to sync this. Update fork on GitHub to remote master. Syncing fork. Configure remote. Fetch upstream. Is that it? Where is it? Git fetch upstream. Open Git bash, change the current work folder. Fetch upstream. Oops. Upstream. Okay, so this is not my fork, I think. That's interesting. So where is my fork? Let's try this tower. See if I can find my fork. This should be the one. Few new revisions from the selected downloaded data is not integrated into your working copy. Fetch. It's still not there. Oh, this is the origin, this is mine. So this is my working copy. So where's the remote on this? Probably need to do the rebase again. Not sure. So the question is how do I get the update from remote? Git flow. How do I know what the remote is? Fetch all remotes. This is fetching from my fork, but I want to update the fork. Update fork from original tower. Some servers allow you to sync your fork with the original repository in the service with git remote add upstream. Behind, yes. Excuse me. Form a reverse pull request. Or you can manually set or pull down changes from the central repo to your clone locally. This can be done in the terminal. Central, my fork, pull request, clone, sync your fork. Sync your forked GitHub repo using a pull request. Create a pull request on GitHub to update your fork of the original. Run the git pull or run the git pull command in the terminal. So once again, show it again. New pull requests. Base. This is the original. Create pull request. Yeah, update with master. Can that be done more easily? Merge pull request. Okay. Merged code. So EarthLab is the master in this case. Change the reverse. So, go to GitHub, go to my thingy. No, it's not this one. This one, 14 commits behind. Create pull request. And now change this from this should be mine. This one, and this should be base compare with what? How is this done? Come on, guys. How hard can it be? And restart. Commits. Changing it over. Now it will switch. Compare across forks. Okay. Is that it? Okay, so this is the original. Change that to mine. And now do that again. Mine. Compare it with Office Add-ins. Able to merge. 14 commits. There we go again. This is what we did. Change it over to to the other one. Yeah. Look at the changes in here. Then create pull request. Okay. I believe it. Create a pull request. Pulling in changes from master, from stream. Updating from original. Pull request. Merge pull request. Merge. So this would give the option to have a look at this. One branch is commit ahead of Office Dev Master. This branch is one commit ahead, okay. Okay, I will create a pull request now for, well, I will do that tomorrow or something because I'm too late. It's 12:30 a.m. in the morning. PM, I should say, maybe. Not sure. So I'll wrap this up for today, and I will commit the changes to the official repo in a different stream. Thanks for watching, everyone, and see you next time. Bye bye.